Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over what makes a good essential question for your project. So once you choose your topic, you're going to be crafting an essential question, and that question should be a level 3 question where there's not really a right or wrong answer as long as people can explain their answer. So make sure your question can be answered from multiple different perspectives like yes, no, maybe, or other gray area responses. And then make sure that your question doesn't have any biased words or phrases in it. So I have 4 example questions. One of them is going to be a biased question. And you'll know if it's a biased question if it only allows the participants to answer in a particular way. So they wouldn't be able to say yes, no, or even maybe. So number 1, should the United States invest more in cybersecurity? Number 2, what problems are there with the COVID-19 vaccine? Number 3, what, if anything, should the U.S. do about the Gaza Strip bombing? Number 4, should Minnesota legalize recreational marijuana? So going over these questions, dang, I already hit the button. That's okay. Number 2 is the one that is biased, and what makes it biased is the word problem. So because they're saying what problems are there with the COVID-19 vaccine, they're only focusing on negative responses, right? Like saying the COVID-19 vaccine is a problem, and it's not really allowing for people to focus on the positive sides of the vaccine. Okay, so make sure that you don't include words like problems or stuff like that. Make sure that your question allows for multiple different answers, not just from the positives, from the negatives. All right, and that's pretty much it. Here are some examples of some possible topics. If you haven't chosen one yet, these are a mix between newer current events and ones that students covered last term, and their essential questions. So we'll go over the bottom 3 here because those are the more recent ones. The Dr. Seuss books and the ones that are banned. Should these books be banned is the essential question. Minnesota bill in the House of Representatives aimed at legalizing recreational marijuana use. Should Minnesota legalize recreational marijuana use? CDC masking guidelines. Should fully vaccinated people stop wearing masks? So those are examples of some essential questions. If you'd like for me to check over your question, feel free to ask before you move on.